Of course, your equity will be growing if you achieve 80% hit rate and you are tweaking your trade results in a very specific way. That is what I'm going to tell you in this video. Hello, my name is Frank and you probably know me from XM Live Education, and I'm having the pleasure now to talking you through 3 points that are ensuring you that you are able to make a high hit rate and also trying to ensure your equity goes in the right direction. Number 1, let me remind you about one very important sentence in trading: buy low, sell high. This topic is about precision. So you need to find really great setups that are getting close to the low if you want to buy. And if you want to sell, you have to get close to the high. You have one advantage in these spots of the market. Your stop loss, you can set pretty much close to the entry point. And this is ensuring that in case the trade is not going in your direction, you only lose a very little bit of the risk. And the second big advantage, what you have is that if the trade is going in your direction, it doesn't need a long time that you are reaching a great risk reward. Imagine yourself, you are doing something like this consequently. And this is the point number 2. So you have to have the discipline and you have to have the willingness to do this in a constant manner. So if you decide for striving for a high hit rate with a growing equity, then you have to be able to execute your trading system, finding the lows and finding the tops very consequently. Even if it does mean that the majority of the trades are ending in a very small profit or in a very small loss. But this is exactly the key that you need to find to get the 80% hit rate and to enable yourself to grow your equity. Because what very often happens is that the systems that are showing you 100% of a hit rate, they're keeping the losers just open. They're always harvesting their small profits and the losers are staying open to hope the market is coming back and then, they can take them off as well. But this is only working until the margin is over, because if the margin is coming to an end, the broker will give you the margin call and you are exiting of trading. So this is why you have to really be very, very precise in the entry. You have to be consequent in executing the system. And the third point is you have to take care about adjusting the hit rate to the risk reward ratio. What I want to say by this, if you're focusing buying the low, you can put your stop loss very tight to the entry. And as soon as you are moving with your trade in the direction, if the trade is moving in the direction of where you want to have it, you go very fast with your stop loss break even and put it in the profit so that your trade is not closing in a loss. By this, you're ensuring a high hit rate, and you have for every chance you're able to put it break even plus a few points, you have for every this kind of trades the chance the market will not get back anymore to your stop loss level and is rallying further into the growth, and by this giving you a multiple risk reward for this one specific trade. So in essence, what it comes down to, if you are having these precise entries and you are having the consequence in executing and you are able to bring your trades very fast into break even plus some points, then you are ensuring that you have the majority of the trades in a small winning area or in a small losing area, and then you have some outliers that are bringing you really, really a huge risk reward, and this is then what is driving your equity curve constantly to the upside. And if you want to see some system like this in action, I can only recommend you join us at XM Live Education at xmglobal.com, and I will be welcoming you there together with my mates. So see you soon there. Have a great day. Bye-bye.